Jai Gurudev students. In today's class, I am going to teach you about the network protocol. So, what is the network protocol? Into the last class, we already learned about the web browser. Now, into the today, we will learn about the protocol. First, we understood what is this protocol and what is its meaning. Actually, protocol, these are the some set of rules. According to that set of rules, the communication has been completed. So, whenever we communicate with network, so any information which is transferred to one network to another, so it is follow some rules. So these rules comes under the protocol. So now let's know the definition of the protocol. The definitions of protocol is for the hashless communications between the computer in the internet, each computer must follow some set of rules called protocol. Clear? These rules usually specify how the computer can communicate with each other, how they can interpret each other messages, exact format and meaning for of each message that a computer can send, under which condition a computer should send a message, and how a computer should respond when the message arrives. So that is fully responsible with help of protocol, means this is work is completed by the protocol. So we have different types of protocol. So you only note down that definition completely, you note down that highlighted text. Clear? So now we will learn about the types, the most common used protocol and services provided by the internet. So these are the first very important protocol is TCP/IP, that is Transmission Control Protocol. What? Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Next, FTP, that is File Transfer Protocol. Next, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Next, Telnet, Gopher, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Next, Network News Transfer Protocol, NNTP. We will also learn about the PPP and Post Office Protocol. So these are the some protocol we have that is very useful in communications purpose. Clear? So you also note down these types of protocol we have. So now we talking about the first protocol, that is TCP/IP. What? TCP/IP. Actually this is the basic protocol which is used in Transmission Control Protocol. It is the full form, and Internet Protocol. Actually this protocol is responsible into each and every network. Actually this protocol uh, convert the messages into the packets form, means each message, when you transfer any message to another computer, so that protocol first convert your message into the packets. Clear? So it is transmit the message or information into a packets form. Clear? And IP. What is the purpose of IP? IP is a internet protocol that carry the address. Carry the address means it is carry the address of receiver. When you transmit your data to another computer, so in which computer your message should be transmit, so that address is carried by the IP. So that's why the both protocol are working together. Clear? Now you note down its definition. So TCP actually a collection of protocol or rules that governs the way of data travel one computer to another across the network. When you send or receive data, the message gets divided into little chunks called the packets. Each of these packets contain both the sender internet address and the receiver address. So that is the main work of the TCP IP protocol. So you note down only that highlighted definition. Okay. Now we will come into the HTTP protocol. What? HTTP? You will note down the HTTP. Clear? Means hypertext transfer protocols. So into this protocol, HTTP is the set of rules or protocol that governs the transfer of hypertext between two or more computers. It is the primary access method for interacting with internet. The HTTP generally works in the combination with www means World Wide Web. So that is a HTTP. Clear? So hypertext, hyperlink. Clear? We already learned the web browser is used to communicate our data with help of HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol. Clear? Now we will learn about the FTP, that is a file transfer protocol. According to name, you understood it is responsible of files. When you download, upload any that type of file, if you want to transmit into the network, so it is completed with the help of FTP protocol means file transfer protocol. So now write the definitions of the file transfer protocol. FTP stands for file transfer protocol and is part of the TCP IP. It is the protocol or set of rules which enables files to be transferred between computers. It is a software program that enables a user to log on to another computer and transfer information between it and his computer. Clear? Using FTP, one can upload and download files from the remote computer known as FTP servers. If he has the access permission on the remote machine. Clear? So you need only the permission. So that is the main work of a FTP file transfer protocol. So you all note down that definition also.